Yeah. Shoot. Nenga nchona ndiri kure nasi ndaramba nsare kumashure ndapfeka zvodiwa ndazora zvodiwa ndapinda mzira sechigure ndipedzwa wandichibhure kunge mapombesi bharu ndivhure mapawa mapati chero kwangonakidza ndakunzwa kudawo panoti kunakirwa panoti kutapira ndakunzwa kudawo panoti kuzipirwa
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of The Hot Mic. My name is Daira Chawasema and I'm here today with Lavie Soja Sniper. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, greetings. I'm Sniper Storm, the Emperor. I'm a soldier to the world representer. Gunfire, shoot, military boot. Salute.
Okay, Sniper. First question yangu is, my baby, ananyazo kudere or it's just the same because most of your songs in English, hey, I got happy when I love him, soldier, yeah, this and that.
No, chinichitika ndinochitaura musikana iyeyu. Iyeyu yakatapirwa nelove him soldier. Until I was telling a story.
Okay.
So ndiyeyu handizozive kuti but ndinombona malikes. Pane malikes anowhere.
Okay, and pane malikes anowhere.
Yeah.
So, mangamuri musojeri or what? We need to know.
Oh, you need to know. Hakuna masoja effect.
Okay. Okay. So guys, I think you're answered. Musoja Zimashoshu and the Sniper we do Zimbabwe. So Mr. Sniper, can you please tell us about your music journey? Like in short.
My music journey, it started off with writing one song,
Okay.
recording, releasing, performing, and touring, and Takambo win awards. I got a NAMA award, I got a Sim Dancehall award. Love Them Soldier Tower, it's got a NAMA award, and then I've got a Sim Dancehall award. Yeah. And other humanitarian awards as well.
Okay.
I've represented a lot for GBV over the years through my music. So ndakambo onwawo nezvinhu zvakadaro. To mention just a few.
Okay, guys. I think machines back. Anyways, so besides music, what else do you do? Like the city music?
The city music. Tine business twatinechimanisa manisa. I cannot go into detail. Vavengi vakawandisa.
Okay, it's fine. I understand. One of my business is running Guachita. So can you please tell me, like, do you see yourself having someone under your wings? Like, I need to music, I don't know. Batira or I don't know, something
Okay.
like that.
Since Agadaro, yes, I've done that quite a lot. I've mentored some young artists. At some point in the course of my career, I had a stable and I thought a D Brigade where I had artists like an legend But anyway, we're still open for business.
Okay, guys, we're gonna take a short break. I'm here with Sniper Storm. Hey guys, we're back again. I'm with Sniper. So, Mr. Sniper,
Yes.
was there ever a time like you felt like your music career was going down? Like there was a time you were just quiet.
Yeah, there is a time that things went down or a bit slow or quiet, as you say. I think we're actually in that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how are you handling the situation?
Handling the situation well, as as yet, I'm releasing music whenever I can. Like I said, sometimes in ending will stuck up in other things, you know. Mainly, yes, I'm an artist and I'm Sniper Storm. But the thing is, with Sniper Storm, I'm an artist who's been in this business for a very long time.
Mm-hmm.
So, being in this business for a very long time, new trends coming, new artists coming, new vibes coming, right? And it's just my old timers, tisu past, present, and future. And it. So, what to step back to give other people space to operate. You understand?
Why is that?
Because people need space to operate. Inini ndikasumudza voice rangu hapana machanzwa ndikanyatsoita full force
But do you think munhu wese anoita zvamunotaura izvozvo?
zvokuita step back.
Yes.
No, hakuna munhu asingazorwa.
Okay.
Hakuna, be it anyone, hakuna munhu asingazorera, especially for me who has been in this game for like 20 years. Tenge titori papo takasvika papoint yokuti tisu vanhu vacho vairira ende hakuna ipinda, hakuna itinei. So takapfuurawo stage yotama elders takugona kuchipawo space to the team.
Perfect.
Atisi nje munhu wanga unosafana kuti imba yese iri munyika inoda sadza.
Okay. Guys, Sniper is not selfish. I don't see the wrong one. Play it what I will. Anyways, we're gonna play a game which is called Hum a Song. I'm gonna hum a song and then you have to guess the artist.
Okay.
Okay. The first song goes
Didn't get that one.
alright, let me try again.
Laugh. Maybe I was going to pick a melody. And easy. Who's that?
It's Tammy Moyo.
Oh, Kanari Tami manje. Panogona kunetsa.
Go on.
Yeah. Mira. Cut.
We are back, baby, with some hot ones.
Hot Mic Season 2.
How can it not be hot when we have Mageti in the house?
The hottest show on YouTube right now
Bang.
with 15 episodes featuring Votes JT,
Bashubi,
Ali D,
Vantoka,
Komana GT,
UP Flex, we have Elliot Cole, we have Diamond Musica in the house.
Prince Boya, and also the Tangai Bauer Hitmaker video. Yeah.
And many more. What you have to do is just
Subscribe to the channel and also
like, comment.
and share the link.
Hot Mic Season 2, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be hot.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the show, and Empress Lazi is in the house. If I'm not your favorite girl yet, then today I'm going to be one because I brought to you a very interesting game. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what these guys have to do today is they have to pick
kanzwa nekukwarira mukati kuti kandiudze sebhebi zvinoramba kanzwa nekukwarira mukati kuti kasaudze kanoita kumirira panoniona ndichiburitsa jobho kanoita kumirira
5 points. 5 points to die. Okay, that's your 10.
Okay, I'll just start singing. I'll surprise you. Abracadabra. Tinongoti abracadabra. Kafarafunga kuwachisa mapurobhulemu ese. Mabhiza mabhiya manina kunyangwe masese. Kana chidayo tinowachisa zvese. Maproblems ese disappear. Disappear.
This one very easy. Now your 10.
Okay, my turn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't know the lyrics, but I'm gonna try. Mhepo inovhuvhuta, tiwo mugariro wayo, denga rinokwirira. Zuva parinobuda, richishaina, newishinawo. Zuva parinobuda iwe, richishaina, newishinawo.
Pick yours.
That's my favorite song. I should have sung that one.
Too bad I chose it.
I'm trying to find the lyrics, but this is one of my very, very favorite songs right now.
Okay. But if it's your favorite, it has to be that easy.
Because I want to start from the verse into the. Cause you my binocular, baby, my binocular. Cause you my binocular, you my binocular. Hear me. Uyangenza kubone. Cause you my binocular. Uyangenza kubone kahle kahle. Cause you my binocular, yeah.
Guys. Kokai, 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 kokai.
Sing.
Vada kunivarira panze, avazive nine special key.
Last one.
That was the last one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, that's too much.
Ndovadyira bhonzo nekonda kudai ndakamira pamamonya ipapo chidya mafuta zvezvisingakori ndakamira pamamonya ipapo mahos zvimabhos chinonomira pamamonya ipapo chibababa chigunduru mwana wasitendeni pamamonya ipapo.
Okay, so this was a very interesting game to facilitate, and the participants were on point. You guys know your Zimbo music.
Yep.
It's a good thing. Catch us right after the break.
of segment. I'm here with Sniper Storm. So, Mr. Sniper,
Yes.
where do we get your music?
My music is on YouTube.
Uh-huh.
It's on every online platform that has to do with music. iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music, Google Music, YouTube Music, everywhere. So I'm also available on Facebook, Sniper Storm in large caps, Instagram, Sniper Storm Music, Twitter, Sniper Storm Music. What else? WhatsApp, damn. What else? Yeah, I'm on all platforms. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm also on TikTok.
Oh, you're also on TikTok.
Yeah, but I don't TikTok.
So
I
I-
watch people TikTok. I'm
Okay.
going to start though. I don't know if I can be funny enough.
We'll see about that. Okay, guys, my name is Daria Chawasema, and Mr. Sniper is gonna give us a freestyle. Bye.
Yeah. Sniper Star. This time, tiriwe cash talk. Hashina basa fish beef kana pork. Mumusoro mava knock knock. Tovatsikira pasise Reebok. Gore rino inini I don't care. Ndotosiya vari busy kutinyeya. If not, busy fair. Amina kadeya simoreya. Gore rino inini I don't care. Ndotosiya vari busy kutinyeya. If not, busy fair. Amina kadeya simoreya. Vanosera chiti chaka zvatosenda nezvatinoreceiva. Vanondojona atumwa kuniniva. Havana mashuwa vanonetsa nokureliva. Ukatokonya shumba unorumwa. This time masitomboda zvekugumwa. Angomira mzira mangu anodhumwa. Sara wakutsvagana nafoko chitutsumwa. Inini I don't care. Ndotosiya vari busy kutinyeya. If not, busy fair. Amina kadeya simoreya. Salute.
Taure chikwadi iwe itsavanchoga nevakomana vekwamzviti inzwa skiridandan kindangidanga zvikanzi ndikati wo zvikanzi ndikati